A few weeks ago, OpenAI dropped their agent builder, and honestly, that's a complete game changer. For the first time, you can create AI agent without connecting many different modules and without writing a single line of code. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a real estate AI agent using agent builder that will qualify the lead and send their details to the CRM. So let's begin. By the way, if you're new to this channel, I'm Tanish. I'm the founder of Talknetic. I help businesses cut their costs and save time on the things which can be automated using voice AI. Every week, I open 3 free consultation slots. You can find the link in the description, so go and get them before they are gone. So let's jump on a demo. So yeah, we have to go to OpenAI Agent Builder. So you can see this is the link. Let's hop on it. So this is the Agent Builder interface. So let's go to Create. And you will see a start node and my agent node. This is the interface on which we are going to work. It's something similar to N8N, I would say, but it's far easier as compared to N8N. So now actually we are going to build a real estate AI agent that will qualify leads, and also it will share the information to the Google Sheets. In this case, I'm using Google Sheets, but if you want, you can use another CRM. So firstly, we need to connect a start module to a file search module. So I'm going to delete this one, file search module. Let's connect this. And now I'm going to create a vector store, which is, you can say, a knowledge base for my AI agent. So I will go to create. So I'm going to use this document as the knowledge base. It's a simple real estate property knowledge base. You can take a look. Now I'm going to download this. So now I will go to my agent builder, add files, upload, volume E. So I will search the name of that document, Thailand property knowledge base, attach. So let's name this Thailand property database. So now let's go back to our agent builder and file search. So actually we need the vector store ID. So this is my vector store ID. Let's copy it and I will paste it here. Yeah. So in this query, you can use this workflow.input as text. Now we need our agent module and we'll connect this to a file search. And in instructions, I will give a prompt to this, so you can say this prompt. You can pause this video and read it if you want. So let's copy this and I will paste it. Include chat history, yes. Model is 4.1, okay. So tools. Now we need to add the MCP server. So the best part with Agent Builder is that you can connect it with many other apps or tools using MCP. So you can take a look, there are many tools. Also you can create your own server. So currently I will be connecting it with Zapier, and I need to get my API key. Zapier will allow you to connect with your CRM or Google Sheet. In this case I'm using Google Sheet. Get API key. So I'm going to create my new MCP server. So it will not be OpenAI Agent Builder, it will be OpenAI API. And let's name it Thailand property demo. Create MCP server. So I'm going to use this Google Sheet. So now I will go to my Zapier, add tool, Google Sheets. I want to add rows into my Google Sheet, so I will go and look for create spreadsheet row. Choose account. I will choose my account. No, I will set a specific value. Choose value. I will choose a value for my drive. Thailand dates. Worksheet. No, I will select it of my own. Sheet 1. Time zone. No, not required. And this will be generated by AI. So save. Now you have to go to connect and copy this secret. Now go back to Agent Builder and enter your Zapier key. Connect. So we have successfully, we have connected, but the problem is you are unable to load tools. So in this case, you need to change your authentication details, which is go to this custom headers and type authorization. Value will be bearer and paste your API key. Now click on add. Don't want to save this. Now the tools will be loaded. Yeah. So now click on update. And that's it. You will be seeing all the data into your Google Sheet. So let's rename this. So I'm going to publish it. Publish. And it's successfully published. Now let's go and test it. Preview. So hi. Yeah, I wanna buy a villa in Phuket. I type Phuket. My budget is $500K. So yeah, now it's asking for my name and my email. So my name is Bruce Wayne and my email is bruce.batman@gmail.com. So it will ask you for the approval. In this case, go and click approve. Now agent is processing our request. So yeah. Now, thanks. So if you don't want it to ask for approval, so go to your agent, Zapier, and select never and update. Now it will never ask you for approval. So yeah, that's all for this demo. So this was a basic AI agent using Agent Builder, and the best part is you don't have to be specialized in make.com or n8n. It's super beginner friendly and you can get started right now. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like and hit subscribe. And if you want to work with me, go and grab the free consultation slots from the description. So see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye.